Manufacturing Large Enterprises Service Samurais Award goes to Tata Indian Institute of Skills.
Right, the award goes to Tata Indian Institute of Skills.
Thank you, sir.
Tata Indian Institute of Skills bagging the Service Samurai Award in the category Manufacturing Large Enterprises. Congratulations to the entire team.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. A few
Yeah,
words
yeah,
again.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you,
You
sir.
won't miss the chance, huh?
Thank you. Congratulations.
Present yourself.
Yeah.
I'll hold the mic. So
Thank you.
stage is all yours.
Thank you, sir.
We'll catch up again
Yeah,
sometime.
yeah, soon, soon, soon. So this award goes to my all trainees and manufacturing industries, those who are recruiting to the skill manpower. कुछ दिनों पहले एक मूवी आया था, उस मूवी का नाम था शरीफ रईस रईस। काम का कोई धर्म नहीं होता और काम से बड़ा कोई मजहब नहीं होता। सब लोगों ने उसको इतना टुकन सीरियसली और सब लोग स्विगी जोमेटो मॉल में काम करना स्टार्ट कर दिया। सो एवरी skilled manpower or every Indian youngsters, I wanted to give one message only. If today you will join Swiggy, Zomato or any other small mall or somewhere, after 5 years only you will do the same thing. If today if you will join to the manufacturing industry or machine tool industry as an operator, today you will get 15,000 rupees, but after 5 years, you trust me, you will run by Mercedes car. You will run definitely by car. You will have a own flat in Bangalore, Namma Bangalore. So that is the message to all the youngsters. So please attract towards the manufacturing industry. Your future is with the global and golden future. See you. Thank you.
I have to say a few words. See, always we are Tata Indian Institute of Skills. We talk to the students. If you learn the skills, you can replace AI and robotics. If you're not learning the skills, AI and robotics will replace you. That was the message we are giving, so that the skill India, another 2 decades, the the India is powering up with the skill through the entire world. The reason is the statistics says currently the age group, working age group, 53% of 1.3 billion, that means 700 million people are available working age group. And it is going to grow by year 2030 about 68% to 69%. That's how we have a lot of opportunities. If every skill, every youngsters getting skilled, they can power up entire world with skilling, Skill India. That was a message I want to give to all of us, to industry leaders, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much and congratulations. Our next award is the Shogun Samurai Award. And to announce the winner, I'd like to call forward Dr. Uday Narang and Mr. Dinesh Mishra.